Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Recharge Automations for failed charge recovery, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the official Recharge Automations login page. Locate the login fields on the page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Enter your password in the second field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once your credentials are entered, click the Login button. Wait for the page to load after submission. You should now be directed to your Recharge Automations dashboard. If you encounter issues logging in, check for error messages. Make sure your email and password are correct and try again. If issues persist, consider clearing your browser's cache. Alternatively, try logging in from a different browser or device. Once logged in, navigate to the section for failed charge recovery. Review the list of transactions marked as failed. Follow the prompts to set up recovery actions for those charges. Complete any necessary settings to automate recovery processes. Always ensure you save changes before exiting any settings page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.